What, honey?
Our chemicals are brown?
There's chemicals in orange food coloring.
No.
Yeah.
No, they're not. Mama.
Yes.
When I was a little kid, a baby, I used to love these chips.
Yeah, but...
These ones are fire.
They're what?
These ones are way fire.
Fire.
Yeah, there's fire on top to make the chemicals go away.
Oh, the fire burns the chemicals away?
Mm-hmm.
But doesn't orange food coloring have it? And there's orange food coloring in that.
Yeah, it burns them away too.
Oh.
And then they turn white.
But, you know when you had the orange cheesies at preschool?
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat them?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they are so yummy and I love them.
But I told you can't have orange cheesies.
They're yummy. My kid said, a teacher said, chemicals are not the firehouse they burn away so they go underground, then leave the ground. Because these black things are not chemicals. They are this yummy and food coloring is way good.
I don't know. I can't believe your teacher told you that. I'm going to have to have a little talk with her.
Huh?
I'm going to have a talk with your teacher. I'm going to tell her, don't give Kaira any more orange cheesies.
No.
What?
No, just for you.
Yeah. So next time they have orange cheesies at preschool, are you going to eat them?
Uh-huh.
Why?
I love them.
They're not good for you, though.
Well, I want them.
What about white cheesies? Are those better?
No.
Oh.
This was orange. Yummy. Oh. Don't just talk that.
It's not good. What happens?
Huh?
What's going to happen if you eat so many of those?
I'll get used a little bit.
Oh. See, your face is already turning orange.
I like it.
Can the babies eat those? Why not?